Okay, this is my week 13 update, race to 250K. For the past 4 weeks, my portfolio went down since the market's going down. Therefore, we get to buy at a discount. Every single Monday, I invest $1,100. In this video, I'm going to go over my complete portfolio, what I bought with that $1,100, my weekly performance, and of course, my dividend income. Quick reminder on financial education. Education gives you control, control gives you options, and options is what gives you freedom. Let's get into my portfolio and see where I'm at. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio, we can see the balance is $138,707. First position, DGRO. I have 349 shares with a market value of $24,239. Next, we have SCHD. I have 1,843 shares with a market value of $56,399. Next is SCHG. I have 483 shares with a market value of $14,309. Then we have SCHX. I have 827 shares with a market value of $21,370. Last, VXUS, my only international position. I have 295 shares with a market value of $22,247. Let's get into what I bought with that $1,100 now. Okay, now that we're in the weekly buy sections, we can see I bought 16 shares at SCHD, 3 shares at DGRO, 10 shares at SCHX, and 4 shares of SCHG. Those were my weekly buys for this week. Next, let's get into my dividend income. So now that we're in the dividend section, we could see I have $2,800 or $233 per month. Let's go over each position to see what it's paying. First, DGRO, $487. Next is SCHD, $1,426. Then we have SCHG, $42. Next, we have SCHX, $180. Last position, VXUS, $664 for the total of $2,800. By the end of 2026, I want that to be over $6,000. All right, let's get into the weekly performance of the portfolio. So now that we're in the weekly portfolio performance, we can see from March 16th to March 19th, excluding net contributions, my portfolio is down $644, which is good. We're being able to purchase in a discount. All right, that's going to do it for week 13 update. Stay tuned for week 14 as we get closer.